It's Grandma and Papa, or Mimi and Papa,
Mimi and the Papa.
and our adopted children for today. Hey guys.
That's what I talk about. Steven, I put him in the sand over there, and he would walk to the edge and then turn around and walk to the edge. He would go out of the sand.
There's Eric.
Like to swing.
Uncle Steve. Or Uncle Vince.
Yeah.
Ooh-wee. Oh, Emma just figured out how to do it by herself. Whoa, Joshua. Where y'all headed?
Hey, Amethyst, I didn't see. I took a picture of myself.
Going to another part? Amethyst. Make sure you stay right there.
I want to get a picture of my baby.
At this part. Stay right here.
You can't have me paranoid.
Let me go watch her.
Gotta go watch her. Look up, Steve.
Steve.
Steven, look up.
He's like, I'm analyzing the sand. Don't bother me. All right, let me go watch her.
Even though leaning back, I'm a lean forward kind of guy.
Papa!